Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Ooh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from NUMRICH, also known as Gun Parts Corporation. Again, NUMRICH. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Alright, let's see how we can get this open here. Underneath here, flap. Flap. Okay, so a manifest. Put some newspaper here. More. Okay. Just give you an idea of the time frame. Alright, alright, so first off, we have some grips, large frame, single action frame. These are supposed to be a Revolver Walnut grips. These appear to be unfinished. Just for a little project, they do have the brass threaded inserts. Very nice. You can see they're ready to be fitted and finished. Not sure how symmetrical they are, but that remains to be seen. Alright, so got some blank grips there, walnuts. Alright, now in this piece, totally bubble wrapped. Underneath the tape there. Right. So we've got some vintage items here. 2 magazine, 9mm, 36 round blue used. It should have, base loops. You can see those there. Nice little finger grabbers. Metal. Already picking up a Cosmoline holder. Metal. 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 Metal followers. Metal bases. Very nice. Stick mags, and you can see markings there. SA 57-08, 57-39. So these got to be cleaned up. You can see all the goop that's on the ends of those. So, oops, oh, that just went out of reach. items there. So backtracking, a couple of magazines, a couple of blank grips, Walnut. These all came from NUMRICH Gun Parts Corporation. Let's see if I can get a logo into view here. Let's see. There we go. NUMRICH. So feel free to check them out. They got a large variety of items. NUMRICH Gun Parts Corporation. There's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.